So we have slowly took parts of the eggs out, and unfortunately the chick was dead inside. So I think the chick suffocated to death because the egg was not quite healthy. As you know, the first time this egg was moved inside the nesting box, and it got hurted in this exact portion of my pinky finger right here. And the chick, as you see, it's formed. It's a quite uh, chick, but it is he is dead inside. Unfortunately, it's not well formed. So that's unfortunate, but we have 3 out of 4, so we can say 75% rate of success of this time of breeding, which is really good and positive. And we look forward for the next time when they breed. We will be more careful so the eggs will come out all chicks, hopefully.